How to change your Brave browser language. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Brave browser language. So let's start. First thing, we go to Brave browser, and now click on those three dots here down below. Let's click on them, and now go to settings, and then go down and down to language. As you can see here, you can add the language that you want. There is many options, many language. I think that there is all the languages of the world. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.